XRP ETF had been approved and millions of dollars are coming in XRP ETF, but still XRP price is crashing because there is something bad happening in XRP which is going to completely shock you. So before completely diving into XRP, let me tell you something about crypto update, because things happening in crypto right now might completely change your point of view on whether the bear market is getting started or we are still in bull run. But before that, disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor and this video is not a financial advice, and anything which I am telling in this video is completely based on my opinion, so please do your own research before making any financial decision. So let's start video with famous YouTuber and crypto analyst Benjamin, who made a post on X writing about Bitcoin that price of Bitcoin is going to $60,000 to $70,000 if the current price of Bitcoin remain below 200 weekly moving average. And if someone doesn't know, let me tell you that dead cross had already happened, and in history whenever dead cross had happened, the price of Bitcoin had crashed up to 80%. And do you know how much XRP crashes? It crashed up to 90 to 95%. So before you get panic and start thinking, is the bull run over or are we going to book more losses than these current losses? Let me tell you a good news, this dead cross is haven't confirmed yet, and it all depends on whether the Bitcoin price is going to close next week. If in coming week the Bitcoin price close above $95,000, then it will reverse the dead cross and it will be like the dead cross had never happened in a current time frame, and bull run will continue. But if the price will close below $95,000, then this might confirm the bear market. As the Benjamin told, we might see the Bitcoin price going to $60,000 to $70,000. But after seeing this current development happening in a crypto space, I think dead cross might get reversed, because the CEO of Coinbase gave a very positive update about crypto structure legislation bill that there is a chances that this could pass by this December, and this will make a clear set of rule for crypto about spot and future trading and how to pay tax and who can issue this crypto, means what is the difference between securities and commodities. And this clear set of rule for a crypto is going to attract all big players and company to invest in a crypto without having any uncertainty and any confusion about crypto. But believe me, the biggest player in a stock market were not ready to come in crypto because crypto don't have clear set of rule, but the things are about to change in December. Watch out this video by Brian Armstrong.
Hey everyone, Brian Armstrong, Coinbase CEO here. I'm in the halls of Congress, back again, pushing for market structure legislation. We've seen a lot of progress since I was last here. We've now seen draft text shared by the Senate Ag Committee. Senate Banking is also working nights and weekends to get the next iteration of their text out. So we've got a good chance, I think, of a markup for this bill in December, hopefully get it to the president's desk shortly thereafter. This would be a big milestone to get crypto unlocked with clear rules in the US, which would benefit all companies. But of course, Coinbase wants to be the top crypto company, so we're working hard on product in the meantime as well. And December 17th, we've got our product event, which you can tune on the live stream to see everything we've been building in the second half of this year. Thanks all of you for continuing to show up and contact your representatives and keep pushing for clear rules for crypto in the United States. We will keep doing our part here as well to try to make it happen. Thanks so much.
Once these rules are made, then it will be like before two different era of Bitcoin. It will be like Bitcoin before and after legislation bill. This era will be completely different, but this doesn't mean that without this bill the big players are not coming in market. The US banks are now allowed to hold crypto for blockchain transaction fee, and these things set a very bullish narrative for a whole crypto market. So what do you think? Is this going to save crypto from this dead cross or not? Please comment down below. So now let's talk about XRP. Yesterday, Franklin Templeton XRP ETF got approved, and in single day it got a volume of $58 million. And there are many XRP ETF which are lined up to get live this week, and this XRP ETF might bring billions of volume or inflow in a single day. But the question is, even after $58 million of volume in a Franklin Templeton XRP ETF, then why XRP crashed yesterday and why XRP haven't pumped? These are very basic and serious question. Anybody would think if there is any money inflow, then why XRP price is not pumping? The reason is quite simple. As you can see the balance sheet of Franklin Templeton Canary XRP ETF, There you can see the issuer already hold $58 million of XRP. Then anybody who bought XRP ETF, then they directly got that from their company wallet, and there is no direct buying from the real market because issuer already have enough XRP to fulfill the demand of XRP without buying from the market. And that is the reason the XRP haven't pumped, because they fulfill the demand of the buyer from their own treasury. They are not buying from the real market. So the question is when they are going to buy, because if they are not buying, no new money will enter in the market and XRP will not pump. So when they are going to buy XRP, it all depends on how much demand of XRP ETF they have, and if they are having XRP shortage, and there is also chances that they can buy XRP from the XRP dip. So we can expect that issuer can buy XRP from real market in this scenario. But when you look at the Bitcoin and XRP ETF launch history, then you will find that in Bitcoin we have seen a bull rally after 1 month of Bitcoin ETF approval. In Ethereum it took 6 to 1 year to show a bull rally. From the Bitcoin and Ethereum ETF approval history, we have seen that any coin which are getting ETF approval have shown very significant institution adoption and price surge. And we could also expect this kind of growth in XRP too, but we don't know how much time it is going to take. It might be this week, this month, or this year. But before I end this video, I want to show you XRP liquidation heat map, which is showing very bullish signal, which is having liquidation of $6.9 billion of liquidation, around $3.2. And we know that market is a hunter of liquidity. Therefore, we might see in coming time that XRP could climbing $3.2 to hunt liquidity. But these are my personal opinion, and please don't take it as a financial advice, but please subscribe this channel for this type of content. See you tomorrow.